Welcome back to another video. Today we are making a Rapunzel style French bow. All of the pieces are going to be done in a purple color, as you can see here. You are also going to need 4 rose embellishments. I will link where I get mine down below as well. You will also need a little princess crown. Again, that'll be linked. And you are going to need something that simulates her hair. This is braided out of 1/8 inch satin ribbon. I had 2 different shades of yellow, and I just cut a length. The finished length is actually 18 inches. So you want to cut around 24 inches, and then I knotted them at the ends so that they would keep being braided. You're going to need a clip of your choice. Again, with all French bows, I recommend the alligator clips with the teeth. You are going to need your scissors. You are going to need your lighter, and as always, your glue gun. We are going to start by predictably adding the clip to the spikes. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I tweaked it a little bit to make it my own, but I think it'd be a quick, fun, princess inspired bow, but not anything branded. A little bit of glue that leaked, so you're just going to grab an orange stick, come through and scrape out anything that has leaked. All right, clip is attached, and then we're going to grab the center strip, and we are going to attach that inside the clip as well. I find it's easier to do this at the beginning. This way you can really pull down and give a lot of pressure without worrying about ruining any of the loops on the bow parts that you put on the top. Alright, I'm going to put that off to the side. We're going to work on our bow now. I start off with the bigger loop. Glue the tabs on the ends, and then just bring them to the center and attach them. You can push your finger down to make sure that the tabs fully adhere to the center. Fluff up the loops a little bit and put that off to the side as well, because you have one more loop to do. I will link this template down below. It's just the medium French bow. I forgot to add that, but I will link it down below, as well as where I got the sheet for this color purple. So again, like the other one, bring both tabs to the center, hold it down to make sure that it adheres. We're going to attach loop to loop. So attach both loops together. We're going to get this bow put together before we add any embellishments to it. Give it a little squeeze to make sure that everything attaches properly. Oh, sorry, I didn't know my phone was going to be making noise. Alright, there we go. So, I have a little bit of overhang there, so I'm going to go in and trim it down a little bit, just so it doesn't interfere with the center wrap. And we are going to attach the loops to the spikes. And I know this looks like a basic purple bow, but trust me, these embellishments are going to come into play here. Let's just get this bow finished off. You're not going to need the full 18 inches of that braid. I just wasn't sure how much I was going to need, so I braided extra and figured if I had any left over, it could be used in another bow. All right. Trim off the excess center wrap. All right, now we have got our bow. It is time to embellish. We're going to start off with the braid. And yes, I'm going to put the knot down. It will be covered up. So you are going to run a line of glue along the spikes right next to that loop. And lay the braid down. Push down to make sure that it adheres. So this is what you have right now. I'm hopeful that the lighting isn't too bad. My ring lights are not working currently. So we're going to bring that up and to the center of the bow, like that. I'm going to hold that there though, because I want to put a dot of glue there. Not a big dot because this braid is not very thick. Make sure that it sticks to the bow. You're going to bring this around and we are coming back up like that. So that means another line of glue right along the loop. And you want to make sure that everything lays down flat. Alright, we do have some extra, but that's okay. You're going to want to hold on to the bow and the braid down by the scissors. What's on the bow will not come loose, but what you hold in your hands will. So you are going to pinch right there at the end and heat seal. Pinch it together, and then you have a piece that you can use in another bow. This is about 10 inches, so I'll be able to get another one of these bows out of it. And then you're going to come through and heat seal up there. Alright, so that is the braid on it so far. This is where we're going to start adding the roses. I'm going to start up at the top where we cut. And you're just going to come in and place a rose. Just like that. And it's going to be each spot on the spikes that you put down a little rose. So you're going to go around and just add them to the bow. These aren't the exact color of roses I wanted, but we work with what we have. And then finally we come here to where we started. And we add our final little rose. Make sure to press down with these roses that you add so they attach. This is what you have. And then you're going to quick add your crown to the center. Just like that. Pinch to make sure it adheres. And there you guys go. Look at that really, really precious Rapunzel inspired French bow.
A few moments later.
Sorry guys, my camera battery died. Anyway, this is the bow completed. If you like it, please click the like button. If you think somebody else could benefit from it, click the share button. It's somewhere around there. Check the description box for all of the supplies that I used in this bow. If you have not subscribed already, click the subscribe button. It's somewhere around there. And then click the bell button next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video when you set your notifications to all. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the description, in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions for videos, please leave those in the comments below. And make sure to check our Instagram for all kinds of fun goodies. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!